In this video, how to find people to hire on LinkedIn. I will show you step by step how to find people to hire on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the job title of the person you want to hire. For example, you can search marketing manager or graphic designer. Press enter to see the results. Now click the tab called People. You will see a list of profiles related to your search. Use filters to find more specific candidates. You can filter by location, company, or experience. Click on a candidate profile to see more details. Review the candidate's skills and experience. Check if the profile matches the job requirements. If you want to contact the person, click the message button. Write a professional message explaining the opportunity. You can also send a connection request. Click Connect to send the invitation. After the person accepts, you can communicate normally. Another option is posting a job on LinkedIn Jobs. Click the Jobs tab and select Post a Job. Enter the details about the job opening. Publish the job listing to receive applications. This is how you can find people to hire using LinkedIn.